2025 Ford Transit Trail, Adventure Van for the Masses. 2025 Ford Transit Trail, Ford Adventure Van, Camper Van Conversion, Off-Road Van, Transit Trail Review, Van Life Community, Overlanding Van, YouTube Van Build. The 2025 Ford Transit Trail is shaping up to be one of the most exciting vehicles for the van life community and outdoor adventurers alike. Designed as a factory-ready Ford adventure van, it bridges the gap between a commercial cargo van and a fully built camper van conversion. With off-road upgrades, customizable interiors, and strong aftermarket support, the Transit Trail is poised to become the go-to platform for overlanders, weekend explorers, and digital nomads. Already, the buzz surrounding the Transit Trail review content online has exploded, with countless YouTube van build videos showcasing its versatility. Rugged design with purpose. Unlike the standard Transit, the 2025 Transit Trail comes ready for dirt roads and campgrounds. It features a lifted suspension, 30.5-inch all-terrain tires, black cladding, skid plates, and standard all-wheel drive. These enhancements make it far more capable than a typical cargo van, putting it in the same conversation as the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD and Ram ProMaster Adventure builds. Ford also offers different roof heights and body lengths, ensuring buyers can prioritize maneuverability or maximum interior space depending on their needs. Interior, blank canvas for van life. Inside, the Transit Trail is intentionally simple but smartly configured for customization. Ford knows many buyers will want to partner with upfitters or tackle DIY camper builds, so the van includes drillable mounting points, a 12-inch touchscreen with a SWINC4, and multiple USB and power outlets. While not a full camper from the factory, the 2025 Ford Transit Trail is designed to make conversions easier, whether buyers want a minimalist adventure van or a luxury motorhome setup. Powertrain, built for all conditions. The Transit Trail comes standard with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. With all-wheel drive and selectable drive modes, it's equipped to handle snow, mud, or gravel with ease. For towing gear like bikes, kayaks, or even a small trailer, the Transit Trail is rated to tow up to 6,500 pounds, making it one of the most versatile vans in its segment. YouTube achievements, van life goes viral. On YouTube, the Transit Trail has already achieved cult-like popularity. Channels dedicated to the van life community, such as Combi Life, Exploring Alternatives, and Van Life Sagas, have featured builds and tours that routinely surpass 500,000 views per video. Ford's official promotional videos introducing the Transit Trail received over 1 million views within weeks, fueled by interest from both adventurers and small business owners. Meanwhile, DIY creators showcasing YouTube van build projects with Transit Trail platforms have racked up millions of combined views, further cementing its reputation as an overlanding van for the people. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ford Transit Trail is more than just another cargo van, it's an accessible entry point into the booming adventure van lifestyle. With factory off-road features, a flexible interior, and massive support from the van life community, it offers practicality without requiring expensive aftermarket upgrades. Backed by its viral success on YouTube, the Transit Trail proves that the appetite for a ready-made camper van conversion platform is bigger than ever. For those seeking a true adventure van for the masses, Ford might have just delivered the perfect solution.